Hello YouTube, this is Mr. Bakari, and today I just wanted to make a quick video on writing equations of parabolas from a graph or given parts. Okay, so what we want to do first is just look at our got a little diagram here of a parabola. This is a horizontal parabola, and I just want to go through and identify all the parts. Okay, so we've got a vertex inside the parabola. We have a focus, okay? And that focus is c distance away from the vertex. And if you go the other direction outside of the parabola, that same c distance, you have a vertical line, which is called the directrix. And this horizontal line that is bisecting the parabola is called the axis of symmetry, okay? And this line through the focus is what we refer to as the focal width, the width of the parabola through the focus, which happens to be 4 times this distance c. Okay? Alrighty. Now, if I rotate the parabola, okay, because we're going to be looking at vertical and horizontal parabola, make note of the orientation of the parts, and that the axis of symmetry is now vertical along with the parabola and the directrix is now horizontal. Okay? All right. So what we're given here is the directrix and the focus of a parabola. So we're given a couple parts and we are going to try and determine the equation from that. All right. And so we're going to write our equation in vertex form. So the first thing we want to do is we just kind of want a little rough sketch. You don't have to graph the whole thing, but we want to see what does this look like? Well, if we have a directrix at y equals 5, that's going to be a horizontal line through 5. So I'll go ahead and take a look at that. And then a focus at 1, 1. So if we go to 1, 1, and there is our focus. Okay? So we know that right in between the focus and the directrix, right in the middle, there is a vertex because that is the same distance from the vertex to focus as the vertex to the directrix. Okay, so that's our vertex. And now we can see that this opens downward. So if this opens downward, we have a vertical parabola, which we'll write in terms of y. And we will use this vertex form. Okay. All right. So our vertex is at 1, 3. All right. So add that over here. Vertex is at 1, 3. Okay. And we want to write the equation. So we know it's in terms of y. And we know that we're going to square x. And our vertex is HK up here. So if you look at our form, HK, that's where we're going to put our vertex. So our vertex is 1, 3. So there we go. And we also note that since the parabola opens downward, that A is negative. And speaking of A, we have a formula that sets A equal to 1 over 4C. That C is the distance between the vertex and the directrix and the vertex and the focus. And as you can see on our little sketch here, it is 2 units. So what we can do is we can say 1 over 4C. Well, C is 2, as we can see on the graph, and that's going to give us 1/8. So now we know that our A value, right, our leading coefficient is 1/8. And because the graph opens downward, we know that is a negative 1/8. And there is our equation. Okay? So let's look at another one. Okay, this time we're given an entire graph. And sometimes you may be given a couple parts, and sometimes you might just be looking at a graph of the parabola. So this is a horizontal. So since it's a horizontal parabola, it will be in terms of x. So we will write it just like this. So the x and y flip-flopped and h and k flip-flop. Okay. And again, we note that A is equal to 1 over 4C. Okay? So looking at our graph, we can see that our vertex is at negative 6, 6. So our vertex is at negative 6, 6. And our focus is 1, 2, 3 to the left. Okay? So that means C is 3. So remember, this distance we call C. Okay? And in your class or your textbook or whatever you're studying, maybe they use the letter P for that distance. Sometimes it's written P. So I use C. Doesn't really matter. But just to clear that up. And so what we're going to do here is we're going to plug in 1, 2, 3 for C. And that shows us that A is 1/12. Okay? All right, so it does open to the left, which tells us this is a negative 1/12. So I'm going to start writing my equation here. It's in terms of x equals negative 1/12 y squared. Okay? And my vertex is negative 6, 6. But remember, we're looking at a vertex, right? This is h, this is k. H goes outside of parentheses here because it is a horizontal parabola. Okay, so I'm going to put that here and then k inside here. Okay, and there is our equation. So you can get different combinations of pieces, maybe the focal width, maybe direction of the parabola, maybe a directrix and a vertex, or a focus and a vertex. But it's basically the same idea. What you need to know is this. Okay, every conic section comes with a formula where you can find the distance C and find A and or B in the other conic formulas. Okay, so that's the formula for the parabola. I hope this helps you out, and I will see you in the next video.